Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage SoundCloud library. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for SoundCloud. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you don't know how to, or if you haven't created one, I've already made a video on how you can go ahead and do that. Now all you need to do is click on this library tab right over here, and now this is where you can see your overview. So recently played, likes, playlist, album, like stations and people that you're following. So there's all of these broken down as you can see. So for example, if I don't want to follow the person I'm following, I can just click on unfollow there. Or if I don't like any stations and I want to remove it, now I can simply go ahead and unlike from here. If I have liked some albums that I want to remove, I can simply go ahead and remove from here as well, and playlist likewise and likes as well. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.